Hello everyone, welcome to Archa's Kids. In today's video, we are going to read some short sentences related to A sound. So let's get started. A bag has a tag. A man has a fan. The can is by the tap. The man is by the van. A cat is on the mat. A fat rat is on the hat. A man sat on the mat. A bat is in the cab. A man ran to the cab. A cat sat on my lap. A can of jam is in the bag. The lad has my bag. This is how we learn to read short sentences related to A sound. Practice daily reading these sentences. Till then, bye for now. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.